I'm getting ready to decorate my patio, and I love these. I want to hang them on the wall over my wrought iron table. So I decided to use some burlap to make a lining for this. It seemed like the best idea was to turn it like this, like a cone, and then cut it. So that's what I did. And it's like this. And then I think what I'll do is pin it, cut the excess off, and then I will sew the edges around the top a little bit. But I'll make sure I sew the bottom so that the dirt will stay in possibly better. Also, I'm going to put plastic in it. Okay, I have that sewed up now. I'm going to put it in here. And I'm not putting it all the way to the bottom because I really don't like the looks, and I'm hoping the ivy will grow out eventually and hide it all, but it will give it a little more stability. So what I will do is like this, and then maybe pin it if it will let me. This is going to be kind of hard. Yeah, it will. And I'll just pin it a little bit all the way around, and then I'll sew it. I think this is going to be great. This is a good time to do this. It's Memorial weekend and everybody's gone. My grandchildren are gone, so I have a lot of time on my hands. They stay with me a lot. And I love it, but I also love this. A lot of people are like, oh, aren't you lonely being alone on the holiday? Oh, I just wait for that door to click behind everyone. I love doing this, making crafts and painting furniture and all those things. I just love it. And I love being around my grandchildren too. Both. I think that's what makes life better for me, is that I can enjoy kind of whatever's going on. This last one. Okay. So then I'll do it back here also.